So we're headed out to Smithsonian Butte for mud extraction. Got a call that they've got I think it's a little crossover vehicle that's up there. They went camping last night. It rained in the night. They tried to get out.
Anyway, we're going up to help these guys get off this hill because it's named Crybaby Hill for a reason. Most people get scared and don't want to come off it in the mud. It's got a lot of clay, so it's pretty slimy and steep with a lot of steep edges.
Yeah, so the locals call it Crybaby Hill, but you tourists have got a lot of guts because you guys drive up and down it with all kinds of vehicles. It's amazing. Here in the back seat, we've got Steve Croft.
Hey guys, how are you? Steve Croft here.
Yeah, he's got a YouTube channel.
My YouTube channel is all about hiking, playing, and having adventures around Zion National Park here in southern Utah. I love that Matt does these videos. One of my very first videos that I ever did was actually a video on where not to drive when it rains.
Well, I bet you their traction control's on and they can't move, so we got to figure out their traction control. So, good morning. Okay.
Here's your shoes. Are these yours? Yeah, just pull it out of the road. Jump in and pull it out.
Okay, we'll take one of you in here. Or locked out, I guess. We want to make sure we stay out of the ditch here. So we made it to here. It's just not gonna, wants to suck into that hole. Back.
There you go. Just keep it on a tightrope between the two of them.
That's what the kids do with the wagon. They take it to the store with their bikes.
So one can slow it down and the other one can pull it.
So on this one, we're going to be using just a regular strap because we don't need
before you get through anything, huh?
It's pretty much stock too. But those Jeeps are, look at the mud on those tires. Are you guys going out to play today?
Yeah,
We're heading home.
Yeah, we're heading home.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, we're up here the whole weekend.
Let's see.
All right, I'm gonna try driving a little bit more.
Without being.
All right, so we're just started our descent down Crybaby Hill, and it's as slick as it was when we came up, so we're having to be pretty careful here. All right, so what's your name?
Susan.
Susan, how are we doing? How are you feeling right now?
Pretty good. Lot safer now. I've been trying to do this by myself. That was not so easy.
Yeah, we've been down this hill a couple times.
You did it. Thank you. Thanks.
Tell us what happened there.
We got up there, found them. The car really wasn't wanting to move very good in the mud. Somehow Matt managed to get it moving. Got it over to the edge of the Crybaby Hill, and he was able to drive it most of the way off there. We hooked up to it once or twice in a few spots just to keep it on the road, not in the ditch. It worked out pretty good. Drove it off there, and they thought he was amazing with his driving skills and the way he could do it. Yeah,
What really happened was I took my team up there and we got them off the mountain and they were happy.
Well, I would say we were behind, following Matt down in the car. We were in the yellow banana there, and that car was fishtailing down that hill, which is sketchy because there's like cliff on the side right there, and I don't know.
Yeah, we've been off that hill a lot, so that's not the first car we've driven off there. So I guess once you get to practice something a whole bunch, you get a little better at it.